Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Portable Washer and the Portable Small Washing Machine. We'll explore their features, design, and performance to help you determine which one is the better choice for your laundry needs. Let's dive in. The BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer offers a capacity of 0.9 CU, making it suitable for larger loads, while the Portable Small Washing Machine has a 13L capacity, ideal for smaller items and limited spaces. This difference in size and capacity can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially if you have a family or frequently wash larger items. The BLACK+DECKER washer features a traditional design with a transparent lid and stainless steel tub, providing durability and a classic look. In contrast, the Portable Small Washing Machine boasts a foldable design, making it extremely portable and easy to store, perfect for travel or small living spaces. The BLACK+DECKER washer comes with 5 wash cycles, catering to various fabric types, and includes safety features like auto shutoff and child lock. On the other hand, the Portable Small Washing Machine includes a spin dryer basket, which adds convenience for quick drying of small items. Depending on your laundry needs, these features can greatly influence your choice. In conclusion, if you're looking for a larger capacity and more traditional washing experience, the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Portable Washer may be the better choice. However, if you need a compact, travel-friendly option, the Portable Small Washing Machine is an excellent alternative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.